Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about PHP strings, and in string we have many variation. Okay, so we'll check each and every variation one by one. Now here you all can see right now there are something which are in comments right now. This part. Okay, we will focus only on this first line, which is var underscore down, and we have one message: you need to be logged in to view this page, but in the single quotation mark. Okay, so what exactly output you all will get is, suppose control S, and obviously before we execute our program, make sure that your XAMPP is running, which is Apache and MySQL. Just make sure, okay? And then easily you can use this browser like yeah, what we are writing is localhost, and obviously we are using the same file, that is hello world.php. So what output we are getting is string 42. Okay, that is 42 characters, and it is of which data type, and our message, which is you need to be logged in to view this page. So what is the basically meaning of this where underscore dump is nothing but it will give you your message, it is of which data type, and if it is string, then number of characters and all that things. Okay, now coming to the next variation. Suppose you want to print this, what you can say, that single quotation in your string. Okay, so what you can do is you can use slash and then you can use single quotation. Okay, so we'll check the output of this also quickly. Control S, and yeah, we'll refresh this page. Okay, so you all can see I and then single quotation mark. See this one, it is coming. So this is also one of the way. Okay, and coming to the next part, suppose you have one variable like dollar name, and you have assigned some value, and in double quotation you are writing your message as well as you are printing the value of that variable. So this is how you can write both the things in one statement properly, which is echo. And suppose you want to print name of this variable, then you can write dollar name, then whatever is your message that you can write. Okay, so we'll check the output of this also. Control S and refresh. See, instead of dollar name, it is coming what? The exact value of that variable. The next thing is, suppose you want to use dollar. Okay, because dollar is used for the variable name purpose. Like here you all can see dollar and pwd, it is the variable name, and you are writing in the value pas, then you are writing dollar word, and when you will print echo dollar pwd, it will accept only pas. Okay, so we'll check the output of this, and then obviously we will get the warning message also. So control S. Okay, yeah, see, we are getting warning message undefined variable dollar word. Okay, on line number 12, but we are getting the output, that is PAS. Why we are getting? Because it will print till here, and then it is assuming that dollar word is a variable name. So now the last part of this PHP string is, if you want to use dollar, okay, in your program, then how you can use, that is this way. Last part, suppose dollar word equal to whatever value, and dollar pwd equal to double quotation pas. Now you want to use dollar, so we have to use one slash also, and when you will print, then you will get the correct output, which is pas and then dollar and then word. So let's check the output of the last part also. So we'll just refresh. Okay, so we are getting that output pas, dollar and word. So these are some of the variation of PHP string. Thank you everyone.